everyone. I am live again. It is, I think it's day 10 already of my little 6-month journey to become a profitable trader. Hopefully in 6 months, we'll see what happens. Hopefully right now the quality is not like yesterday. Oh my god, yesterday the quality was bad. The day before yesterday the quality was bad. It was something in the settings of my streaming program, but hopefully right now it's HD and it looks a bit more pro. I even have, this is not financial advice, I am not a licensed financial advisor for entertainment and educational purposes only. Okay, so I am by no means giving advice here, not at all. It's more like the other way around, you know. I'm a beginner. I have no idea what I'm doing right now. So I'm just going to see. I'm talking to myself right now. There are 0 views. So let me just close Discord. Yeah, just before I start talking about ICT, let me just show you the trades that I did yesterday. Just let's look at the chart for a little bit. Okay. So let's see, what did I do? Okay, remember this trade? I was really proud of it. I just went down with the trends and I made 40 euros. I was so proud. So that's why my account had 568 euros. And I started with 500 euros. So I was really happy. And then yesterday, okay, so after this trade, it started ranging a little bit, went up a bit, went down a bit, but nothing significant. So I didn't really know what to do. Then it went up, but this was in the night. I was sleeping. So I completely missed this move, of course. And then it started going down again in the morning. And I didn't really know if the downtrend would continue. Oh wait, you cannot see you can just see my face. Oh my god. Do I even have viewers? Let's see. There was 1 viewer, I think. No, there are 0 viewers. There's 0 viewers. Okay, but that's good because I was showing the charts even though I wasn't showing the chart at all. My face was in front of the charts. Okay, I'll just make my face a bit smaller. Now we can look at the charts. Okay. So remember. Let's see, this trade, I was really proud of this. This was my 40 euro trade. Really proud. And then it started ranging a bit, like I told you. I didn't know what to do. This was in the night, it went up and I was sleeping. So I missed this move. And then it started going down again. But I didn't really know if it would continue. That's still something that I find a bit difficult. When there's a downtrend or an uptrend, to really be confident, oh yeah, now I can do a short because we are in a downtrend. Because I don't know if it's going to continue or maybe I just put my short order and then it's going to reverse. So I was just looking at it, not doing anything. And let's see, so it went down, then it went up again. Let's see why I've drawn a rectangle here. Wait, maybe in the 15 minutes. Oop. Choop. Ah yes, I think in the 1 hour or the 4 hour, that's where I saw, yeah, right here. Okay. So the market was ranging a little bit. Oh yeah, this was the initial one. Like this is the 40 euro profit. And here I saw a zone of demand and I expected price to go back. This was on Monday. So at the beginning of this week. And price did come back, but didn't like touch this demand zone. And then I saw that it started bouncing on this one, like we have 3 bounces. So I thought, okay, this is a support / demand zone, and it didn't break this zone. By the way, is there anyone who is watching? Let's see. Live stream. 1 view. Okay, that's nice. Yeah. Oh, hello. Hi, Amer. Remove the volume indicator. Remove the volume indicator. Oh, on the charts. Wait, can you even see the chart? Yes. Let's see. Okay, I'm just going to... Why do you remove it? You just don't look at volume? Because sometimes it's nice to see, like here, it's green. And you have a lot of green volume. And it's an uptrend. Or is it just distracting? I don't know, I don't really use it too much. I can remove it. Like that. Voila. So here I thought, is this a support / demand zone? Is support and resistance the same as demand and supply? That's something I've been asking myself, like these support zones and support and resistance, it's pretty much the same, right, as supply and demand. I'll just... You don't need it. Okay. 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 I'll also remove the text of, I mean, you already know it's not financial advice. I am learning. I'm going to remove the text. Voila. No, it's not the same. So what's the difference? Because it's both like a place where price bounces, but let me just go back to the chart. Whoop. Because here, like here for example, let's see. Here I saw in the 4 hour, I think. No, in the 1 hour. I keep hopping back and front, like from the 4 to the 1 to the 15 to the 5. What's the 15 minutes? Yeah, might be here, because you have a very big move, like to the upside. And then I just did this candle and oh my god, it actually reached my demand because I've been waiting for that the entire day. So maybe now it's a good time to buy. Oh, that's exciting. I can buy, I can do a trade live. That's cool. Let me just see. Also check if there's a chat. You can tap the number on your keyboard and it will appear. Oh! Okay. So let me just do a buy order. Because it tapped my zone of demand. That seems like a good thing to do. Let me see, what do you think? No, don't buy. Why? Tell me. Do I need to wait for like a big candle that's going up? So I know for sure that we are going up and not down. Maybe I need to wait for confirmation. Maybe that's it. No, wait, markets are closing. Markets are closing. Because right now it's New York session, right? Right? No volatility will die out. Oh yeah, of course, because I think at 10 the Asian session starts. No, but the session is almost done. Okay. Okay, so no time to buy. Ah, okay. I mean, of course it is with paper trading money, it's not with real money, but I'm treating this as if it is with my real money. So if this was with my real money and the session is almost closing, then it's not the best time to buy. Okay. But your time to New York. The session is almost done, but your time to New York. What do you mean with that, Amer? Oh, and by the way, I tried the ICT mentorship, like I told you. Oh, put your time to New York. Okay. Oh. So this is the time. So yeah, I tried to do ICT. I started the ICT 2016 core content or core concepts month 1, and I don't know, man. I just don't really like how he explains things. Like, I feel like I'm learning the same concepts as I was learning in the Smart Money Concept videos, but just way more complicated and unnecessarily long. And then I just started looking for reasons not to continue with ICT. So I looked for ICT fraud, ICT is a scam. And then I found this video, and it exposed me, or it showed me a side of ICT that made me realize, like, I don't know if I want to invest this much time in a strategy that doesn't really have like he cannot really show the results. He photoshops his results. It just makes me a bit like, it all sounds a bit sussy, as they say in America. Very sus. I don't know. What do you think in the chat? UTC -4. So you did not like the guy? No, I mean, from what I saw in these videos, like exposing ICT, from what I saw, he just sounds a bit delusional and a bit arrogant as well. Just really full of himself. I don't know, maybe I'm influenced by these kind of videos, but no, I didn't really like it. And his explanations, it wasn't as clear as a lot of other YouTube videos I've seen. And he also contradicts himself, because the 2016 mentorship, it was like he said that it was meant to stay within the mentorship, and that whoever would share it, like, this was not information to be shared to the whole world, and that the person who would share it to feel like a hero, he would be just stupid. But then again, ICT is the one who shared like the whole mentorship, and it just made me think like, it's a bit contradicting. So you do not like the guy, but what about his concepts? I feel like his concepts, from what I've seen right now, of course I only have seen like 3 episodes in total, but from what I see right now, it's smart money concept and ICT. They are both looking for the same things in the market, just areas where smart money put in their orders, but they use different names for these concepts. That's what I think. Like ICT uses different names, and I don't know who came first. Like, is ICT the one who came up with this whole smart money concept thing, or did smart money concept copy it from him and use other words? It just feels like you're learning pretty much the same thing, but with a different point of view and different terms. And I feel like the terms and explanations of ICT are just really like confusing and unnecessarily long. Oh, you just use... Okay, wait. They are liars. You mean I told you you'll get distracted, ICT was the first. But you mean like these people are all liars? But there's proof. You can watch the video, there's like proof that he's photoshopped his withdrawals. Then he's saying like, oh no, that was a joke. I removed the minus for a joke. Things like that, and it's just, why? I don't understand. Hello, how are you? I just use translation. I don't understand English much. Okay, cool. You are from Morocco, right? So I think you speak French? I told you ICT was the first, exactly. You know what is proof? Well...
We'll get more...
That's the title of this live. What about him and these Robbins, like, what is it called? Robbins Cup? Yeah, the Robbins Cup. He says every year, that's also something I just heard on this video. He's saying every single year, I'm going to win the Robbins Cup, my strategy is the best, I'm the mentor of your mentor, blah blah blah. And then he doesn't win it. And he even said like in 2017, if I don't win the Robbins Cup, you can call me a fraud. And then he didn't win it. And his account went like minus 91%. Like, how can you be taken seriously? I just feel like he's a bit like an internet clown. That's how I feel about him from what I can see right now. I'm making thousands of dollars using his stuff. Oh, I'm not saying that his concepts don't work. I mean, there are a lot of people who make a lot of money with his concepts. I'm just saying that for me, his concepts are... I feel like it's pretty much almost the same as smart money concept, but in a different jacket. Like a different point of view, different terms. Is that not true? Like the concepts, they can work. But I just feel like his explanations aren't... They just don't really resonate with my style of learning, I think. That's Vinyamini. He's just bashing on ICT all the time, but he has like 40k viewers. Yes, I'm Moroccan. Okay. No, it's not the same. Concepts are not the same. Okay. But like, did you guys start with ICT, or did you, like, when you started trading, did you start with ICT, or did you start with smart money concepts and then you Like, did you succeed with smart money concepts, for example, if you did that before? Or concepts are not the same, okay? Yeah, oh yeah, that's this. For the record, if I do not win 2017 Robbins Forex division, I am a fraud. And he didn't win it. I don't know. That's just, I think, the person. Maybe as concepts they might work, I think. I started with support and resistance, then ICT. Okay, cool. So, yeah, it's just, Henk, this is what I mean. It's just that I feel like he talks a lot and I don't know if I can take it seriously. Like, his mentorships, they take a lot of time. And of course, this whole trading thing takes a lot of time. But I kind of want to, like, I don't have a lot of time. I'm, I'm doing this between all my mom stuff, between baby naps. And I don't have a lot of time, so I really want to be sure that the things I put my time into, that it's actually like, it's going to help me forward. And maybe ICT concepts work, but the man, he's, I don't know, I just feel like he talks a lot. And I don't know if I can trust everything he says. Now you're making money and that's what's important. You need that time to be good at this. There's no shortcut. Of course, I know. I sent you on Discord. No, of course. No, I don't want it to be fast. I'm just saying that, like, smart money concept, of course, it's also something that I need to put a lot of time in. I'm going to study a lot. It just feels like the videos that I've seen on smart money concept, they gave me like an aha moment. And from the episodes that I've seen from ICT, they just give me like, what? Like, what is he talking about? Or just a really, really long video and I don't really know like what I just learned. So it's not something like I don't have the motivation to study a lot, because I really like studying and I want to put in the time. And I know that it's probably going to take me years before I get actually really good at this. It's not just a few months and wow, I'm a super profitable trader. Of course not. Yeah. So that's the thing. Henk, you also sent me a Discord. Like, there are so many people who want to help me and who say like, yeah, this really helped for me. Watch this video series. Okay, watch the ICT mentorship. No, you should watch these smart money concept videos. And then it gets a bit overwhelming. That's true. So that's why today I said like, okay, I'm going to open the 2016 mentorship, see what I think about it. And while I was watching it, it just didn't really click with me. And then I started looking for reasons why ICT is maybe not the way to go. And then I found this, and that just made me less excited to start with ICT. Forgive me for saying that, but you will waste your time learning other things and you will regret it. But there are people who are making money with smart money concepts, who are not doing ICT, and they are still making money. It's just, you take a route, you focus on it, you master these concepts, and whether they are ICT, whether it's smart money concepts, like supply and demand, I think you just need to focus on one thing that really resonates with you. And I think that for you guys, maybe ICT really resonates with you and you have that like aha moment. For me, it's the videos that I've seen right now from Smart Money Concepts. And of course, I don't understand everything yet, so it's still like very new for me. But those videos kind of give me like the feeling like, okay, I could do this. Because they are good money manger. They are a good money manager. Is that what you mean to say? All Smart Money Concept is ICT, unfortunately. Yeah, so all Smart Money Concept is ICT. So then I can learn Smart Money Concepts, like from the YouTubers who do Smart Money Concepts, and not necessarily from ICT, like the source of it all. But I can still learn Smart Money Concept and kind of understand the same concepts as you are trading with ICT, right? So then I'm not learning from ICT, like from his mentorships, but I'm learning from YouTubers, like people who teach SMC in a way that resonates with me. Because they are good money managers. They are good money managers. So you mean like the people who use SMC instead of ICT and they are profitable, it's because they are good at managing their money, like risk management. Many YouTubers teach ICT. Yeah, okay. So then I can also just, because it's just, you know, for some people his teachings may be good, but for me, I know that, I don't know, I feel like there are better ways to explain these concepts. It's a quicker way to learn ICT. Okay, I might look into that. But if I know Smart Money Concepts, if Smart Money Concept is basically ICT, then it's pretty much the same, right? Yeah. Okay, so then there's no problem, right? I'm just going to learn Smart Money Concepts and get really good at that. Look at Gimlet Trading. Let's see. Gimlet Trading? Maybe Kimmel Trading? Kimmel Trading. Let's see if he has a playlist. Trade recaps, trading bootcamp. Ah, he's an ICT trader. Okay.
Okay, so this is day number.
Okay, this is cool. So these are basically like, I just found a playlist, Trading Bootcamp. And since he does ICT, I think that this playlist will explain all the ICT concepts. Like, I don't really see the concepts here. More like psychology, trade management, liquidity, high value areas. Okay, let's see. Let's see if this makes more sense to me. So then I will give ICT another chance. Just to see, like, that's something I want to know. Wait, he is good at doing it. He has a boot camp. It's really good. The exchange of orders of old highs and old lows, buy stops on the highs, sell stops on the lows. Don't blame him, he's put in the work. There are so many good channels. Okay, that's nice. That's nice. So I don't necessarily have to watch, because I wanted to start at the source, of course, like ICT, but I cannot lie. You know, I can't lie. It's not for me, the way he teaches. So he trades, Tanya trades. Oh yeah, I know Tanya trades. Yeah, my man Hank. Okay, okay. Okay, that's nice. Then I'll just see this. Like I'll watch this. And that's another thing that I wanted to ask you. Like, yeah, what is the difference between SMC and ICT? It's still not clear for me, because with SMC they're also talking about fair value gaps, liquidity, supply and demand. Yeah, start with this bootcamp. Okay, thank you, that's good, because I need something to focus on. You know, it's SMC is ICT, there's no difference. Okay, well, I'll just do this bootcamp then, and it sounds good. You know, it goes from day 0 to day 30. So that's 1 month worth of knowledge. That's nice. Okay, I'm just going to do this, and then every single day I will try to apply what I learned on the charts. Oh, it's good that I didn't do a buy. Oh, cancel project. Yes. It's good that I didn't buy here. I mean, I wanted to buy here, I think. And then it went down. And it actually broke this zone. Or maybe not really, because that was the candle. Like the previous candle before the high move. Almost broke the zone. But then supply and demand is also from ICT. That's also a thing. They stole it from ICT. I work with classical analysis with support and resistance and market trends, because the market moves only in 3 directions, up, down and sideways. Yeah, I know, Sophie, you sent me a video about classical analysis. Supply and demand are not from ICT, but it is from smart money concepts, right? And if smart money concepts is from ICT, then you would think that buy and demand is also from ICT. But yeah, so Sophie, you do classical analysis with support, resistance and market trends. And that works for you, I guess. Otherwise you wouldn't be doing it. Also, no. Okay. Because sometimes the ICT people, I don't want to call you guys out, but it's like ICT is the only way. And as you can see, Sophie, he is using something else. I don't know if he's profitable, but I think he is, because otherwise he would have done another strategy. No, they call it smart money concepts, but they are retail. Okay, this T-Trades video was exactly how the trade you did the other day. Oh, you will show me the link? of the video. Because the trade I did the other day, I really like that trade. Just ignore the SMC. Okay. No shame saying that, but when you really understand ICT, you will not trade anything else. Okay. SMT. Just ignore the SMT, the smart money technique. That's an ICT concept, right? The smart money technique, or not? But I kind of like the idea of the supply and demand, but then ICT, he's just got different names for it, I guess, for these zones. Once you see it, you cannot unsee it. Okay, no, what are you saying, Tariq? Yep. Yeah, Tariq, explain. What are you saying? And send me the link for the T-Trades video. So what would be like for these kind of zones that we see right here? What is the name of ICT? What does ICT call zones? It's just oh wait. Yeah, I don't put it into my analysis. It was one of the ICT concepts that started to add paralysis analysis. I will use it as a last confluence. Okay. Yeah, Sophie, you had an indicator that tells you when to sell and when to buy? Or I didn't see the link, Tariq, no. You can send me the indicator and we can look at it together, like what it does. I don't think ICT traders trade with indicators. Or I don't know. I don't know. Ah, okay, yeah, I think it's a YouTube thing. Otherwise, Tariq, you can also just send the video, and that way I can look it up as well. But people in the chat, what is these like? What are these zones called in ICT language? Like these zones where there's a lot of buying pressure. Is it a liquidity pool? Is that it? Liquidity pool? I don't know. It's not a zone, just a down candle. Yeah, but that's what I learned in SMC. So they said that if there's a really big move to the upside or to the downside, then you just take the candle before that big move, and that's this candle. You see the black candle right here? You take the high and the low, and then that is a zone of demand. And price normally comes back to this zone, and because this is a zone of demand, then it will go up again. Unless when it breaks, then you know that that's not a valid zone. You see, that's something that really makes sense to me. Just like a big move up, so there were a lot of buy orders here. It pushed the price up, and so you can expect that that happens multiple times. Like this is a zone that is respected by the market. You see, that makes sense to me. And now I just want to see like if the ICT explanation makes sense to me of this. Okay, the indicator is not on TradingView. I will give it to you for free, but then if it's not on TradingView, then how do I use the indicator? Yep, you highlighted the sweet order block at 1.13 to 1.32. What does price need to reach for? Why does it need to go up? No, that's wrong, because the market doesn't move because of orders. Oh wow, okay. And something that S plus support and supply and demand doesn't teach you is that when that zone gets disrespected, you turn bearish. Yes, that's what they told me. That's what the video told me, that if it doesn't get respected and they break out of it, like right here, then this is not valid anymore and it actually turns bearish, because this zone, like the bearish pressure was so big that it actually broke through. But let me just go back to the other. You highlighted the sweet order block. So then actually order blocks, like bullish order blocks and bearish order blocks, is basically just demand and supply. Like demand is a bullish order block and supply is a bearish order block. And if you think about it, like order block, it sounds like a block with a lot of orders. So then in my mind, I think, okay, it's the orders that push up price or push it down. That it is the orders. But then Amer said, no, that's wrong, because the market doesn't move because of orders. So it moves because of an algorithm, but when you think about order block, it sounds like a zone with a lot of orders, and because of that zone it moves up. Or is that weird? Nice. It's just the algorithm allowing the price to move to specific PD arrays. PD arrays. PD arrays? Oh, and Henk, what you said, what does price need to reach for? Why does it need to go up? In my mind, it needs to go up because we are in an uptrend, and this was clearly like a zone where price moved up previously. So you'd expect that in an uptrend that it's going to continue and that it will move up again if this zone gets respected. I don't know where it needs to go up, like what it needs to reach for, but just it's in an uptrend, and I identified this zone, and if it's respected right now. You see, it's not, price didn't break through. The guy who says he created ICT, he fails to get in the leaderboard. Why would I learn from him? Wait, the guy who says he created ICT, so that's Michael, fails to get in the leaderboard. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. That's exactly what I was thinking today. Why would I learn from him? Yeah, perfect. The link does not want to be sent because it is long. Give me your Discord. My Discord is just Freckle Pips. Exactly the same as my YouTube. Yep, exactly. When they are pushing it down on that down close candle, smart money is buying there. Yeah, okay, cool. So that was this downward candle. Like right here, smart money was buying. Let me just make it a bit more like that. Okay, a bullish order block needs to take liquidity first. And look at that reaction. Price moves down to go up. No, not that candle. You mean this candle? That it went down and then up, like a big spike. It needed to take liquidity here and poof. Is that what you mean? Yeah. Okay, thanks. But what Space Lobby said, I don't know if Space Lobby is still here, that was the thing that I was thinking like in my mind today. Like, he fails to get on the leaderboard and he is the one who created the ICT strategy. Why should I take him seriously if he says that he's the best of the best? But apparently he can't get into the leaderboards, then why should I take him seriously? But I understand you guys as well. You are really big fans of his concepts, and apparently his concepts are making you money, so that's good. I sent you a request, but you did not accept it. Okay, let me just check. By the way, I think now ICT is not a strategy. No, that's true. That's true. Because I see a lot like ICT strategy, but it's the man. It's inner circle trader. You could buy your whole model around those. You could build your whole model around those order blocks, like when price closes above a down close or a series of down candles after taking liquidity. That's called a change in the state of delivery. Okay. Okay. That's cool. Okay, so then it's basically the same, like supply and demand. It's just like the names are different, like order block. Right. Okay, cool. Let me just look at the indicator that Sophie sent. I don't even know if I can put it into my trading view. But then Sophie is doing, or I don't know if that's your name, by the way, but Sophie is doing like classical analysis with support and resistance and trends, and apparently this indicator. So I accepted your request. Okay, you just need a good record of trading. First, find people who's in a leaderboard and learn from them, or find people who did it in front of people and learn from them. No, haha, take the shortcut. There's not any order block, is a demand zone. No, because you have bullish order blocks and bearish order blocks. So it's either a demand zone or supply, right? It's pretty much the same. But Space Lobby, what you say makes sense. That's what made me doubt a bit about ICT, because he's not doing it in real time. He's not doing live trading. There's not really proof to back it up, other than he made a lot of money from his mentorships. But yeah, there are a lot of people here in the chat, or not a lot of people. I don't have a lot of views, but who are really like they are very profitable with the ICT concepts. I'm just curious, like, how do you trade? Like, what routes did you take? Tariq, what's the high at 0600 and what's the high at 14? I don't really know what you mean, Tariq. Wait. What's the high? Looking bullish though. Okay, wait. The man zone needs to have a big candle after it, but order block is not the same. Ah, okay. He's doing right now in the Telegram channel. Oh, okay. Okay, so you are in a Telegram channel with him and he's taking trades live. Okay, you watched 100 hours and nothing of value. I mean, no value. So the two recent highs above your demand zone. The two recent highs, that's this one and this one. The highest highs, that is buy side. Nope, the one to the left of the first one you pointed out at 0600. I'm sorry, but I don't see the 0600. I see 1.13546 and 1.13628. At the bottom. No, Tariq, I have no idea what you're talking about. Wait, what did Amer say? That is buy sides at 4. Time, look at the time. Where it says the date on the bottom and the time, put your cursor on the most recent high. Okay? Yeah, we've got it, but I don't see 0600. Oh, wait, no. There? No. Four or 5. What does it say at the bottom? Wait, put your cursor on the most recent high. Okay, wait. I'm just going to do the chat right here. On the most recent high, that's this. And what does it say at the bottom? Wednesday, 21 May, 13:15. Okay, look down. Yeah, I just see the time. I see the time and the date. Now go to... Oh, you mean the time? Oh, yes. Yeah. Okay. Yep, I've got it. Okay. Okay, what's that high? Here 1.13625, the highest high. It was here, 1.13623, right here, right? Finally. Okay, and the next high, that's here. That's pretty close, right? 1.13634. That is the buy side liquidity, like this zone. Right here. So this is the buy side liquidity. Here. Buy side liquidity. Yeah, horizontal line. Nice. I already did it before you said it. That's cool. Is it higher or lower than the previous? Smooth edges tend to be made jagged. Did that all high get taken out? Yes, by a little tiny bit. Your bias for this week is bullish. Every feed has its own highs and lows. What do you mean with that, Henk? Like every feed has its own highs and lows? Oh, now you guys are talking in trading language. Not enough for jazz. And the feeds, every feed, the smooth edges tend to be made jagged or jazzed. I don't know. Because it's CFD. Forex is CFD? No. Oh, yeah, of course, Sophia. I'll look at Discord. Doop, doop. Okay, wait. Oh. Okay, so I just got the indicator. Let me just see if it works. No, 6 ES. You can trade futures if you want. Highs that equal is engineered liquidity ready to be targeted. Do the same for the lows. Okay. Okay, wait. I'm just going to try to copy the message. What is the ICE feed then? What do you mean, Henk? By the way, have any of you backtested BTC? This thing is about to flip. Yeah, I'm on ICE. I don't know if that's the right place to trade Forex. I'm just going to try to add the indicator that Sophie sent. So we can have a look at it. Let's see if it works, like indicators, and then create your first script. Huh. Okay, let's see, add to chart. Oh shit. Okay. Okay, so according to the indicator that Sophie just sent me, now it's sell time. But yeah, that's just because it's like here's a pullback. Okay. Almost 80H. Yeah, but it's CFD. I'm in a little, Tariq. We're going to be able to trade everything after all this learning. I'm excited for you. Thank you, Tariq. And thank you all for helping me. It's really kind. You don't need that indicator. Oh, the old wave used to use that. Are you a programmer? No, I'm not a programmer. I just got this indicator from someone in the chat, Sophie, and he sent me this indicator. Wow, that's easy trading now. It sucks. Amer is not a fan. But, like, does it actually work? I mean, Sophie, he's using it. But I would say, like, right now it's a buy. But according to this indicator, it's a sell. But here as well, it says sell, then here it's buy. And then that's maybe it works for some moments, but now I don't really see the logic. But no, I'm not a programmer. Wow, that's easy to do now. It sucks. You will lose using it. Yeah, I kind of, that's also what I said to Sophie. Like, first of all, I kind of want to, like, learn how the markets work and really understand it myself and not go too much with indicators. But it's nice to see, like, these things exist and people are trading with it. But I also kind of want to understand myself, like, why does price move and what are the things that I need to look out for and not just look at an indicator like, okay, now it's time to buy or now it's time to sell. I actually want to understand it. Doesn't matter what the tool you use, just stick to one. That's good advice. That's good advice. Whether it's ICT or Ichimoku, is that actually a tool? Is that Ichimoku? Sounds cute. You added the indicator twice. Please allow one. Oh, okay. I'm going to delete this. I think like this it's good, right? It's doing its thing. So here's a trade for you. Slap it on as a common indicator. Note the fair value gap at Tuesday 10 p.m. Oh, so it's a common indicator for Forex. Is that what you're saying, Tariq? 8 to 11 a.m. Wait. Note the fair value gap at Tuesday. Let's see. Oh. Okay, I'm just going to not delete it, but can I remove it from the chart? So it's a bit messy right now. Wait. So Tuesday 10. Oh wow, yes. I see a little gap here. Is that what you mean? But it's already been filled, right? Or doesn't it work like that? Oh, Eastern time, and the sell side at Wednesday is at Wednesday 4:45. Send you the indicator settings on Discord. Oh yeah, that's true, Sophie. Yeah, when the price comes to it by there, your trading hours set. Okay, bye Henk. Bye. When you start putting time as priority, it's so fascinating. Yeah, that's what I've heard, that ICT traders, there's something with time. There's something that, like, time is really important. Just follow the steps and pictures. Okay, Sophie, I will do that a bit later. Because, wait. Okay, open a 15-minute chart. Oh, Tariq, you're also going? Bye-bye, good night. So I've got the 15-minute chart. Indicators are not useful. Would you like to try order flow trading where you can see level 2 data? Time is the most important thing. LL, what do you mean? I'm a full beginner. I just started this whole trading journey, so I have no idea what order flow trading is, and I don't know what level 2 is, like level 2 data. So Amer, I've got the 15-minute charts, and then so that was the, like, at 10. Here's the fair value gap, right? That's correct, right here. Yeah, wait. So I would not say all indicators are bad, but you don't need to overcomplicated ones. You gotta learn the market first before trusting indicators. Yes, I kind of want to learn to understand the market first and why price moves. So Sophie, I will do the settings a bit later, but right now I just want to understand a bit, like, why does price move? Hi QT, no plans to trade in Bitcoin. It has a ton of volatility lately, creating opportunities even for traders though. I've heard that Bitcoin is very volatile and not really beginner friendly. So that's why I decided to focus on Forex, like Euro USD. First remove this later so I can see. Yeah, I'm trying to remove the indicator. Wait, maybe here? I just do Ctrl A. Zoop. I don't know how to remove it. Wait. Oh no, it's still there. So Sophia will look later at the indicator, but for now I'm just going to remove it so I can see a bit more like more details, or that it's less cluttered. How do I remove it? Where are you from? I'm from the Netherlands. I'm Dutch. Me. I began with crypto. Forex is slow for me now. Oh yeah, I can imagine. Level 2 data shows the number of limit orders on each price. Try Google DOM order flow. It will help you understand the market. Indicators are laggy and not really useful as a lot of people believe. Yeah, that's why I want to go like this smart money concepts ICT route, or ICT, to understand the market. I'm just going to write some things down. I've got my notebook. So level 2 data shows the number of limit orders on each price. Try Google DOM. I'm just going to write it down because after this live stream I can never find the chat back. So DOM and order flow and level 2 data. And time is really important, but I think I will learn that in the ICT videos. To remove indicators, simply click the trash bin icon in the bottom left corner of the website. The trash bin left. Doop. Oh, there we go. Wait, remove. Ah, okay, it's clean again. Here we go. So then I go back to Tuesday, it was at 10. Tuesday, here. So from what I can see here, would be the fair value gap. Where are you from? Amer, where are you from? When the buy and sell appears, wait for the candle to close and enter with confirmation. Okay. So that's what you do. You look at the indicator, Sophie, and you see the indicator says sell, and you wait for the next candle. If it closes bearish, then you sell. But of course, you need to look at the whole market condition, like the context. But okay. Okay. But then I think it was Amer who said like, here's a fair value gap, and I need to wait for price to come back to this zone, or oh, but that's going to take a long time, right? Because it was right here, I think. Oh, 10 p.m., not a.m. So then, because right now I've got it on New York time. And then 10 p.m. Okay, let's see. Oh, wow. Oh, yes, I see it. Rectangle. Like here. Okay, I'll just delete this one for now. Oh my god, it almost stepped like into that zone. It's above your demand zone. Oh lord, finally. Okay. So I've got it, right? Here we go. So this, I can call this the fair value gap, FVG. It almost touched the fair value gap. I'm also living in the Netherlands, also on the trading journey. Just subscribed to you, where you could exchange trading experience. Oh, that's nice. Dus je bent ook Nederlands? That's cool, nice. And you're also just a beginner. Like I started 10 days ago. This is day 10. The indicator works well on gold and on gold 15 minutes and 1 hour frames. Oh, so you trade mainly gold then? And the sell side at Wednesday 4:45. So Wednesday 4:45. This is the sell side. I don't really understand. Like, is here the sell side? Or is it in the morning? 4:45. Here. Ah yes, here it touched. I see what you mean. I see what you mean. I was a little bit slow, but here it touched it and then poof! Oh, it's cool. Oh wow, that's really cool to see. Whoa. But then in this case, like, it didn't really get into the zone, you see? But it's still going up. Would you be buying here, or would you be waiting for it to really get into the zone and then go up? Especially right now, like, there's not a lot of buying pressure. So I think it will just go like this, maybe, and then poof. I don't know. Let me know what you think. Unfortunately, I don't speak Dutch. Oh, okay, no problem. When the price comes to this FVG, after taking the sell side, then you can buy. So after taking the sell side, you mean that it goes down and it takes the liquidity and then it goes up again. So once it goes down and then I see the first bullish candle, then I can buy, right? I need to grab the FVG. Yeah. When the price comes to this FVG after taking the sell side, then you can buy. Okay. So I'm going to wait because I think with this then it will go down again and then I can buy. Even when like the New York session is closed, I can still buy. Yeah, of course. Your technical analysis is improving well. Thank you. Thank you, that's nice. So Sophie, do you also do like fair value gap? Or you just look at the support and resistance, right? Support and resistance and trend lines? Or do you also do these things? Put the line at the low in 445. Like here. Okay. Well, but it's really cool. Like, you guys are really helping me a lot. So I really, really appreciate that. Oh, that's not. I learned to shift and then tuck. Oh, see, it's going down. There we go. It's going down.
Oh, 12 gekomen, dat staat wel lang.
En we slapen altijd laat.
Wat?
We slapen altijd laat.
Nee.
Waar is mijn hotspot?
Je gaat het laten zien, dat was goed.
Ja.
Met heel veel mensen?
Ja, dat was een goed gesprek. Are you serious, man? Hotspot staat letterlijk aan. Personal hotspot. The session is done. You don't even think about buying. You don't do anything. And when is the session done again? Because right now it's 11 p.m. Hotspot?
Ja, mijn hotspot is aan. Voorzichtig te zeggen.
I know, maar het is nu, hij staat offline.
Nee, dat weet je niet.
Maar oké, wat is het?
Je naam.
Met hoofdletter, maar die pakt hij niet. Zit geen cijfer achter?
Nee.
Oh, wacht, ik heb de caps lock aan. Oh, that's annoying. Hi, can you hear me? My internet just went away. And now, yeah, wait, can you hear me? I'm just going to do like the microphone again. Okay. Market is closed now. Okay. Think she has some internet issues. Yeah, I had some internet issues. Let me just... Okay, I think you hear me through my iPhone right now. Can you hear me right now? Let's just see. Wow, I had 92 views. But you can still hear me? Because now it's on the iPhone, it's no longer on my microphone. But YouTube is not receiving... Oh, okay, nice. Okay, cool. But the session is closed now. Okay, so I don't buy, even when it's the fair value gap. Tomorrow is another day. Oh wait, no. I actually learned, I think it was the day before yesterday, that today and tomorrow are red days. Like they are risky days, because on Forex Factory they're like, it's a red day. Okay, I'm back. That's cool. That's nice. So I don't know if I should trade tomorrow. Of course, it's not with my own money. I'm not risking anything. So, but I don't know. Maybe tomorrow, if it reaches the fair value gap. Which internet you see seems KPN is better. Yeah. No, it's just the internet is good, but we just said it that on 11 p.m. we really need to go to bed. So we just have it like automatically turn off, and that's what happens. So internet just went away, and actually it is time to go to bed. You know, it is. It's late. Okay, it's cool that you can hear me. But tomorrow it's a red day. Normally, what do you guys do? Like, do you trade on a red day? Because on Forex Factory, I just filtered on Euro USD and then the red and the orange, and apparently tomorrow is a red day because of some news release, and apparently it's more risky. Okay, anyway, I am going to bed because it is 11:08. It's really late. You can wait to news to release, then trade. Okay. So I'm just going to see how the market reacts tomorrow after the news, and then we'll see. But anyway, it was really nice, this live. Thank you for your help and all the good tips. For currency trading, highly you try to know order flow trading. Okay, yeah, I wrote that down. So order flow trading, I'm going to look that up. And the platform you use matters a lot. I'm going to use TradingView. Depends on the strategy you use. Okay, well, tomorrow I go live again, so hopefully a bit earlier, because then it's not like just before the session ends. So yeah, I'm going live again.